Learn with Discord Me. How to get and set up Discord. Discord is a quickly growing communications platform that is an alternative to other tools such as Skype, TeamSpeak, and Slack. It's especially popular among gamers as many of the features are designed with gamers in mind. The app was even built by gamers. Getting started with Discord is easy. Just go to discordapp.com and choose to download the program or open in your browser. The browser version of Discord doesn't have as many features as the desktop version, but if you'd rather not install another program, the option is there. You'll be prompted to create an account. Choose a username and be sure to verify your email address while you're there. Verification guarantees your right to your username and unique ID number. Now it's time to look at your account information and update it. Click on the gear symbol in the bottom left corner of the app. From here, you can change your username if you like, as well as set a profile picture. There are a ton of other settings you can tweak, but we'll just deal with these for now. Other things that would be good to know. When you start up Discord, it will update itself, but if an update comes in while you've left it open, a green download symbol will appear in the top right of the app. If you need to log out, just open up those options again, and near the bottom will be a red log out button. Now your account is all set up. In the next tutorial, we'll talk about Discord servers and how to join them.